So we have given a question, remove element. We have given a array of num and integer value val. We have to remove all the occurrences of val in the num array, and we have to do it without using another data structure. We have to do in place operations to remove all the occurrences. So the question given is, consider the number of element in num which is not equals to val. To be k, to get accepted, you need to do following things: change the array num such that first k element of the num contain element which is not equals to val, and the remaining element of the num are not important as well the size of num. So as we have given this array and we have given value 3, so we have to remove the all occurrences of 3. So we just do the in place replacement, like we will replace 3 to the end, and we will add those values first which is not equals to the val. Like in this array 2 is not equals to val, so we will replace 2 before 3, and we will return the index 2, means two values are not equals to 3. So in this array we have given array 0 1 2 2 2 3 0 4 2, and we have to replace 2. So 0 not equals to 2, 1 not equals to 2, 2 equals to 2, so we will replace it. So we have to arrange element that is not equals to the value in the front of the value, and after we have to return the number of element that is not equals to value. So as we can see, we have to do in place, so we can swap values that is equal to val to the values that is not equals to the val. So we will create a variable index I equal to 0, which will be our starting elements index, and after that we create a loop that iterates the nums for I equal to 0 less than nums and I plus plus, and we will check if num of I means current value is not equals to the given value. If it is not equals to the given value, then we will add it to the index and we will increase the index. Means for this example we check that 3 index 3 is equals to the given value that we have to remove. Yes, it is equals to the given value that we have to remove, so index will remain same. After that, for I equal to 1, we will check 2 is equals to the given value that we have to remove. No, it is not equals to the given value we have to remove. So we will save nums index plus plus equals to num of I, means the 3 will be override by the 2. So our array will be 2 2 2 3 and index plus plus. So now index pointer is on this 2. After I equal to 2, I equal to 2, num of 2 means this 2 is equals to the value 3 to be replaced. No, it is not equals to the value 3 to be replaced. So we will store this 2 at index I. So I equal to currently 0, I equal to currently 1. So we will store num of 1 equal to 2, and we will move pointer index plus plus. So we will move pointer to the 2, index 2. Then we will check at index 3. Index 3 equal to 3. Is it value equals to the value we have to remove? Yes, this is equal to the value we have to remove. So we will not do this. So our index is 2. We will return, we have to return the position. So we will return index.